right, y'all, product review time. I been jealous of Tyler's shower situation, so I figured I'd see what they had for the iKamper. Came across this. It's from LNT Overland. Apparently it is compatible with the Skycamp iKamper series, and it's supposed to attach underneath the covered region, and then you stick it down to the ground like a regular bathroom or shower tent goes. So we're gonna check it out. You're gonna check it out with me, actually. Got the stakes. It's supposed to be self-contained in this bag, which is nice. So it all rolls up. Nice. So it's actually has a roof on it already too. So it's totally sealed. Clips. I think these go on the stairs. All right, let's try to mount it. We'll see how it works. That's all that's in the bag. I like that it's simple. All right, we're gonna see how this latches here. This is kind of the only wonky part here, is that you have to attach it to the bungee cord. It is compatible with both the Skycamp regular and mini. So I think on the regular, it just fits pretty much mostly on one side of it. So I think with the mini, you have to do a little more compromise with the tightness, but I mean, it's tight. So we have vented windows here, and they Velcro closed. And then this just zips all the way down. Really nice space in there. Kind of a little tight at the top for head. There is a pouch for your shampoos and whatnot. There's also a plastic ring at this very top and on the other side as well, and there's another vent on the other side. Yeah, so overall pretty happy with it. I'm now going to get my shower happening, and we can test that out. I bought a new shower nozzle. It is the Flextail 0S02 shower. So we have, essentially it's just two pieces. This is how it came right out of the factory. So I charged this up, USB charge type C, and it's got a power button. This is submerged. So I was actually talking to Tyler, and the idea is this part of the Dometic also screws completely off, and you can fit this in here very easily. So if you wanted to, you could have a dedicated Dometic shower thing, or I'm going to try putting it in my camp sink. Essentially, it's one of those collapsible camp sinks. So I'll show you how that works. And I'm gonna boil some water in a jet boil and then add it to that. And then we're gonna see how the Flextail pumps it out. So right now I'm filling up just one of these collapsible camping sinks and then boiling water. Boil the jet boil water, and now I filled up the sink about that far. This is kind of an experiment. I don't know how much to put in of each. Honestly, that's kind of lukewarm. I'll probably have to do another jet boil full. So you have to watch the water supply here. I'm learning as well. We'll give it a try again. Okay, let me show you what I have going on here. So I got another thing of hot water in there. Put it on a rock so it's angled, because this is a submersible. So you want to make sure it gets all the water it can. So we will drop it in. And turn the power on here. There we go. As we're running. It sits in the bottom of that, pressurizes. And then here I've got my shampoo rag. There's hangers for lights, or the shower curtain, which I just got to figure out how to hang it. That'll be nice. And then I guess I can put the shower head also just in here as I'm washing. And then let's test it out. Whoa! That's a really good flow, man. So then I guess you turn it off with that. So this is the on-off switch of the flow. Kind of like an RV, I guess. And I think this is actually a hanger. So anyways, I will spare you watching me take a shower. And I'm gonna pop in and let you know how it was. Result, great. This shower works. The nozzle, the Flextail, works amazing. There's actually 2 speeds to it, so the power I showed you was not even its full capacity. So my other idea was using this to like spray stuff down, shoes, my e-bike when it's all dirty. The thing is it uses a lot of water, so I had that about 2/3 full. That's what's left. I would have filled it. I think I would fill that all the way if you wanted like a nice complete shower, but you have to take it like you're taking an RV. So wet yourself down, soap up, and then rinse yourself off. But yes, full shower. I would say the ratio would be 2 or 3 jet boils to 2 or 3 of that, depending on how you like to shower. So I like mine hot, so I would do at least an even amount, if not a double. Anyways, yeah, overall, the LNT Overland shower tent, privacy tent, nice addition. You can also use it in use the restroom in here, put the toilet, If you want to remain hidden, it is covered, fully sealed at the top, fully sealed at the sides. I'll probably be looking at getting some sort of mat for the ground, but I just wore the faithful Crocs, kept it dry. Yeah, overall review for the LNT Overland shower tent and the Flextail shower pump. 2 thumbs up for both of them. I see myself, maybe not every time, but it is really nice having a hot shower at night after the end of 2 days of not showering. So anyways, hope you liked the review, and stick around, like and subscribe for more gear reviews, the more stuff I buy and review live for you in use. Yeah, see you next time.